the road's pretty wet here earlier. Looks like it's starting to dry up though. Came back across the other side. Yeah, see? It's still a little wet down there. Could be good in like half an hour though. Toast. Look what I just did. Chunked my wheel. No! But I'm gonna rotate my wheels real quick. Yeah, like no clue what the least important wheel is. I mean, they're all important, right? I mean, of course, the most important thing to me is that my nose doesn't look huge anymore with this. That's the whole reason I bought it. Alright everybody, thanks for checking out the little slide sesh with my new unicorn mount. I just want to do a fun little unboxing here. Ordered some, yeah, after I chunked my wheels, I was like, oh, I need to get some new ones. So I picked up some Liam Morgan 60mm 82As. Then I got the 65mm 80A, which is the same wheel that I was rocking. And I picked up some big ones, 70mm and 82A, and these are the pastel series. All right, let's get back into it here. All right, the flat spot's not making too much noise. Up the toe, of course, every time. I got this convenient little water holder right here. It's brilliant. You gotta stay hydrated, folks, for obvious reasons. But the not so obvious reason that the #1 cause of anger is dehydration. Don't forget it. When you're angry, drink yourself a glass of water, or 2, depending on how angry you are. Making this past video, you know, I had all these good ideas in my head, and everything was charged up. I was ready to go, had plenty of SD card space, and went out there filming it. It's having a pretty good day of skating. Thought I got some really good shots, but I made a few mistakes, especially with the drone. The drone was overexposed on one of the shots, was letting too much light in. More on getting shots of me skating from aerial, when maybe I should have been thinking more along the lines of B-roll and getting some scenery shots. What that brings me to is just, when you see videos where they're using these different techniques to film with, and they're putting it all together in this seamless way. It's really quite difficult. Like, I'm not trying to make any excuses. I'm still trying to get better at it, but yeah, it's really tough. So you gotta execute, you know, all needs to be executed really well, all in one day. And you don't have, I mean, you don't have unlimited energy, you don't have unlimited stamina, so if you don't get the shots within 3 hours, 4 hours of skating, you know, you're going to be drained, you're not going to be skating as well. So, yeah, I just want to make sure people appreciate that as much as possible. I'm learning more and more what goes into these videos, and yeah, it's really difficult to execute. I'm gonna go back there, the same game plan, some new wheels this time, and hopefully I can nail a video, put something together that's really coherent and has some good shredding in it. Oh, good. Yes. Where'd you plant it?
The one with the purple flag. It's got a lot of signs in it.
Okay. Oh, I missed it.
Yeah, thank you.
Sorry about that.
That's okay.
Hit the.
I'm just teasing you.
So this is what I was filming with all day. Use a couple different angles, and yeah, hopefully the footage came out nice. So that's it for today's video. Please like and subscribe. Hope you all enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.